Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 1 minus secant of 2x. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. We have negative number 2 secant of 2x tan 2x dx. Because first the derivative of secant of 2x, you got about this one, but we have the negative, that's why we have the negative in here. Next, we don't have negative number 2, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 2. So this one we change by u. Secant of 2x tan 2x dx, we change by du over negative number 2. This one we can change into u to the power of negative 1 over 2 du. The integration of this one, we have u to the power of negative 1 over 2 plus 1 over negative number 2 plus 1, and we put about c. This one we have 1 over 2. This one we have 1 over 2. Number 2, we simplify. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.